At Native by Plantrite, our purpose is to help people green our cities with native flora. So we thought we'd take this opportunity to grab a garden, an old 90s style garden down at Joondalup, revamp it and show people what they can achieve with WA plants. So what we started with was a blank canvas, almost a leftover 90s garden, and had cooch throughout, old crocus palm and a few remnant plants. So we've treated the cooch, removed the cooch, done some weed treatment. We've also looked at keeping some existing things like the bottle brush over the back, which was still quite nice, provide a bit of privacy from the neighbours. We've then done some paths throughout, just to give it a bit of interest. We've heavily mulched and we've got some subsurface irrigation gone in. And we're just now installing the plants. This may look like a lot of plants in a small area, and it is, but there's a reason for it. What we've chosen is some really taller growing ones. These eucalyptus will come straight up. We've then planted it with a few other shrubs under here which will bush out and cover the base. And then we've got ground covers throughout, so we're just really getting that layering effect all the way through. We've also chosen plants that'll flower throughout the year. So we've got pink myrtle and verticordias that flower now. And we've also got some great little thryptomines ground cover here which will cover all the way through this garden bed for next year. Probably won't be able to see the mulch, it'll look great.